So there was some issue basically as far as the payment is concerned, what they have to receive. Because there is a huge stretch of land, because this is more of a cultivation land. But we cannot do anything as far as the rate is concerned. And that's the reason we said that we will have a meeting and we will discuss that issue, how it can be resolved.
पण ते अजूनही त्यांच्या नावावरही जाऊन कळलं जाऊ तो विषय
जाऊन म्हणजे थोडी कागदां बिना तेकडे ना. As far as the department is concerned, they look at which is your ancestors who was holding the land, the full thing. Of your family tree should come in. So we are just looking at. I think Deputy Collector has already made gathered some information. So we'll because it is Deputy Collector as well as the Land Survey Department. Both departments are together. It takes time. No, it takes time. It takes time.
At least second class ownership possible.
Can for that for second class down and first class you got somewhere. But ten जावपाक the documentation तयार जावन. So we are doing that documentation, but payment जावंकूच जाय because we cannot do away with the payment. Okay.